Welcome to the chemistry class and hope all of you are well. Today I will continue the chapter chemistry in everyday life. Today I will start from antiseptics. Antiseptics are those chemicals which kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms. Examples we can give, that is alpha terpinol, chloroxylenol, biphenyl. So these are the antiseptics. Chlorine at low concentration is used to make water fit for drinking purpose. So in our municipality, what water they are supplying, they are adding bleaching powder. We know that when they will add bleaching powder in water, that will form chlorine gas, and chlorine gas is used for killing the different types of microorganisms. So chlorine gas at very low concentration is used to make the water fit for drinking purpose. Iodine also a very powerful antiseptic, and it is used in the form of generally tincture of iodine, which is a solution of alcohol and water containing 2 to 3% iodine. Next, iodoform. Iodoform is CHI3. It is also a good antiseptic, and generally it is also called wound powder. And organic dyes like gentian violet and methylene blue, these are the antiseptic dyes which are used to cure infection disease. Next, Dettol. Every day we are using now. It is generally used as antiseptic, and it is a mixture of chloroxylenol and terpinol in a suitable solvent. And Savlon also we are using. This Savlon is also antiseptic. It is a well-known antiseptic. And it is a solution of chlorohexadiene gluconate in a suitable solvent. Next one is given here, also structure is written that biphenyl. Biphenyl is an antiseptic which is added to soap to provide antiseptic properties to it. Now these are antiseptics. These antiseptics we generally use for living things, for skin, and different types of wounds, or cuts. There we use this antiseptic. But disinfectants, disinfectants are chemicals which kill microorganisms but are not safe for the contact with the living tissues. These are generally used on objects like instruments, on floor, in bathrooms, drains. Now we can give example here. 2 example is written, that phenol and thymol. Now phenol is used as disinfectant. A natural occurring phenol derivative, that is the thymol, and it is a more powerful disinfectant than phenol. Now one questions will arise in our mind: what is the difference between the antiseptic and disinfectants? So an antiseptic is applied to living tissues, in case of cuts, wounds, etc. But here we cannot use the disinfectants. And on the other hand, the disinfectant use or is applicable to non-living objects. Only such things that floors, drains, washrooms. Here we are using this type of disinfectants. Hope you can understand. Next we will discuss the anti-fertility drugs. These are the chemicals used to control the pregnancy and are also known as oral contraceptive. Anti-fertility drugs are mostly steroid hormones, steroid compounds. So this is the structure of steroid. This is non-ethindrone. So the anti-fertility drugs are mostly steroid hormones, and progesterones, either alone or in combination with estrogen steroids are commonly used as anti-fertility drugs. Common progesterones are ethinydiol, norgestrel, norethindrone, and linesterinol, etc. Okay, so these are the here two structure is already given. Okay, anti-fertility drug, that norethindrone and mifepristone. Okay, so these are the anti-fertility drugs. Now common estrogens, that is the mestranol and ethinyl estradiol, okay, etc. Recently the ormeloxifene has been developed as an anti-fertility drug and tested at the Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, that is CDRI Lucknow. Okay, and the oral contraceptive pills or the birth control pills is essentially a mixture of synthetic estrogen and progesterone derivatives. Some of the commonly used pills contain a combination of norethindrone and ethinyl estradiol, and now this mifepristone, which blocks the effects of progesterone, is a synthetic steroid. Okay, but these all such drugs have side effects and hence should be used under medical advice. That you have to understand. Next we will discuss the antihistamines. Now these antihistamines are chemical substances which inhibit the production of histamine and hence prevent the allergic reactions in the body, are known as antihistamines. Brompheniramine, tarbenadine, these are widely used as antihistamines. Okay, here structures are written that brompheniramine, and this one is diphenyl hydramine. Okay, and these are widely used as antihistamines for treatment of fever, sneezing, nasal discharge, itching of eyes, nose and throats, nausea in pregnancy, and post-operative vomiting cases. Okay, some antihistamine drugs, okay, already here two structure written, that diphenhydramine, dimethindine and phenyramine malate, tripolidine, promethazine. Okay, so these are the examples of the antihistamine drugs. Okay, so next we will discuss that antihistamines do not affect the secretion of acid in stomach because anti-allergic and antacid drugs work on different receptors. That you have to understand. Next one we will discuss the antacids. Okay, so from the word you can understand this antacid should be anti-acid, that means base. The chemical substance which neutralize the excess acid released by your gastric juice and give relief from acid ingestion, heat burns and gastric ulcers are called antacids. Different types of magnesium salts we can use for antacid, like magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, magnesium trisilicate, magnesium oxide even we can use, because on hydrolysis it will produce magnesium hydroxide. Aluminium salts such as aluminium hydroxide, aluminium phosphate, dihydroxy aluminium amino acetate, these we can use. And another things that calcium carbonate, potassium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, okay, these are the sodium bicarbonate is baking soda, that also can be used as antacids. Okay, generally aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, these are used okay, these antacids are used in the form of tablets, gels, liquids. Okay, brand names are there. Okay, different types of brand names are there, from you can understand easily. the type of antacid generally every day we are using, like diazine tablets, okay, diavol tablets, okay, and gels like diazine gel is there, liquid is there, okay, and polycol 4 gel, this type of liquid is also there, okay. Now antacids may be available in the form of tablets, gels or liquids. However, liquid antacids are more effective than the tablets because they are greater surface area. In case of liquid, it will be a greater surface area, and this greater surface area available for the interaction and the neutralization of acid very quickly, okay. So generally antacids are given, this type of magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, okay, antacids are given after the meal, okay. Doctors suggested to take the antacids after this meal. But for hyperacidity problem, okay, the drug cimetidine was designed, and this resulted, okay, in the lesser release of the hydrochloric acid in our stomach and solved the problem of hyperacidity, okay. And generally this type of antacids doctors will suggest to take after before the meal, okay. The magnesium aluminum hydroxide you have to take after meal, but this type of antacid you have to take before meal, okay. And another drug that you know as Rantac or Zantac, okay, so ranitidine, okay, was discovered and is used to heal even peptic ulcers. Recently scientists developed that omeprazole, lansoprazole, pentoprazole, we are using as antacids, and these compounds prevent the formation of acid in the stomach. Milk, what we are taking is a weak antacid. Extra use of antacids should be avoided since it may lead to the constipation. And omeprazole is the most effective drug used to inhibit the gastric secretion. Antacids should not be given with other drugs, particularly tetracycline antibiotics, because they slow down their absorption, okay. These omeprazole types of antacids are generally advised by doctors to take before meal, okay. And overdose of this drug, okay, this omeprazole drug, type of drug may cause unusual sweating, and there may be fast heartbeat or even breathing trouble may also arise. So again, today I am requesting to you, don't take medicine without any experienced doctor medicine, okay. So hope this antacid part you can understand, and today up to this, and next day we will discuss the food preservatives and artificial sweeteners. So today up to this, thank you.